How to fall asleep and improve your sleep hygiene. If you have difficulty falling asleep, then a regular bedtime routine will help you wind down and prepare for bed, and your routine depends on what works for you. But the most important thing is working out a routine and then sticking to it. Sleep at regular times. First of all, keep regular sleeping hours, as this programs our brain and our internal body clock to get used to a set routine. Most adults need between 6 and 9 hours of sleep every night. By working out what time you need to wake up, you can set a regular bedtime schedule. It is also important to try and wake up at the same time every day. While it may seem like a good idea to try and catch up on sleep after a bad night, doing so on a regular basis can also disrupt your sleep routine. Make sure you wind down. Winding down is a critical stage in preparing for bed. There are lots of ways to relax. A warm bath, but not hot, will help your body reach a temperature that's ideal for rest. Writing to-do lists for the next day can organize your thoughts and clear your mind of any distractions. Relaxation exercises such as light yoga stretches help to relax the muscles. Do not exercise vigorously, as it will have the opposite effect. Reading a book or listening to relaxing sounds relaxes the mind by distracting it. Avoid using your smartphone, tablets, or other electronic devices for an hour or so before you go to bed, as the light from the screen on these devices may have a negative effect on your sleep. For more ideas on how to improve your sleep, you can get help and advice from your doctor. You should also contact your doctor if you have insomnia that lasts for more than 4 weeks. We hope you found the information in this video useful.